I'm sick of you telling me how much I care.
Same mistakes you do. I will not let myself know my heart's my misery. I will not break the thing I made. It felt so hard. I learned the hard way to never let it get by. Because of you, I never said to fall from the sidewalk. Because of you, I made a success so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I'm not rolling and water around me. Because of you, I am afraid. And it's hard to walk.